Get more than gold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical.
The secret IRS loophole for gold IRAs. Did you know there's a little-known IRS-approved way to own physical gold in your retirement account? It's called a Gold IRA, and it allows you to diversify your savings with real gold, all while keeping the tax advantages of a traditional IRA. That means you can protect your wealth and safeguard your future with the stability of gold. And the best part? It's totally legal and backed by the IRS. Want to learn how to take advantage of this powerful tool? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com for a free guide on gold IRAs and how you can start today. Your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.